I also have this movie on DVD, in case you're wondering. Here's the tape. There's no print date, so I don't... So, this movie came out in 1989. So that's the end of this one.